Alright, so here it is, guys. Um, I got the NHD15 mounted in without thermal grease because it didn't get delivered yet. It did come, the cooler did come with its own grease, some kind of natural brand. You know what? It may be good, it may not be good. I've always used Arctic Silver 5, so that's what I'm gonna do. Everything's in the in a case, except my external hard drives that I'm gonna be, well, my other hard drive I'm gonna be putting somewhere here, and a Blu-ray drive here. But this is it. As you could see, the Noctua fits in here just fine. Even if I attach the other fan to the back of it, it should be able to fit. Let me just put the cover on. And by the way, just sitting in BIOS, while before with the other cooler was going up to 75 Celsius, it's holding on around 40-41 with room temperature of 30, 29. Well, inside the case is warmer. The cooler, and it's only one fan right now hooked up at low speed, so I'm still unsure about the slots on the motherboard. Even though it says it has 3 PCI 3.0 slots, I only see 2, judging by the amount of pins in the slot itself right here. See, like right here, it's easier to see now with me pointing with the laser. Right here is where the other slots end, and those are for all the slots except 2. 2 have pins all the way through. This one where the video card's plugged in, and that one. This one right here, the pins end right there, and the one above it, same thing. So I don't know. Anyway, CPU still holding at 41. What I'm about to do is do a fan calibration. So I'll do that right now. It's going to test basically all the fans, what their minimum and maximum RPM is. So let's see what it's going to do. Which one is it doing? CPU fan? I don't know. I'm trying to see which ones are doing. Looks like it's doing the front one because it's slowing down. Yeah, the front one's slowing down. And the back ones. And the CPU fan. They're all stopped right now. And it's basically seeing at what amount of power they start spinning. I'm going to have to do this again once I have the cover on the case and everything else ready to go. So I like this. This is really cool. This is what's going to get you a quiet running PC. Is to basically have the motherboard control the RPMs of the fans. And here is what it came out with. The one that says 60 to 60 are not connected. So anyway, so let's put it into Windows 10. That's showing the RPMs right now. CPU fan is going 259 RPM, and it's running at 46 Celsius with that kind of RPM. It went up because it's not spinning as fast as before, which is okay. I could fix that later. Anyway, let me see. CPU fan should be silent. Chassis fan silent. This one silent. This one silent. This one silent. I'm gonna make all of them silent, even though some of them are not connected. This one's not even connected. Okay. Exit. Save settings. This time I'm gonna boot up into Windows. Eventually I'm gonna have the other fan hooked up in here. What I was actually thinking is to get more cool, fresh air to the fans, have one blowing in this way and have another one blowing this way. So you're getting, well, let me show it again because maybe I didn't show it. Have one mounted here blowing this way. Have another one mounted here blowing this way. Hot air comes out from the sides or whatever, and has it getting exhausted maybe to the top of the case if I have the top fans on in. So here's Windows 10. Anyway, so that's it. My PC build's almost done. Just got some wire, tidying up some wires, hooking up USB 3.0. You can see the hard drive lights blinking, which is the SSD drive. Anyway, make another video later.